Hey, my name is Leah from the Bronx, and I'm 25 years old. And I really appreciate this opportunity that Wendy has given us to audition for a chance to have our break. So, thank you, Wendy. How you doing? I have no idea what I want to sing, but let's try the remake of Turn Your Lights Down Low, Lauryn Hill. Turn your lights down low, never try to resist, oh no. Don't let your love come shining into my life again. You got me saying, ooh, I love you, I love you, love you. And I want you to know right now, know right now. Ooh, I love you. And I want you to know right now that I wanna give you some love. I wanna give you some good loving. I wanna give you some good loving. Did she say how long she wanted it? Turn your lights down low.